Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to teach you guys how to avoid thick trace from occurring when making a laundry bar soap. Now, thick trace is actually a challenge most soap makers face when making laundry soap. It's actually a situation when you are mixing your soap mixture together and it becomes very thick to the extent that it's very difficult for you to pour it into your soap mold. So I want to teach you guys how to avoid it, how to produce soap without the mixture getting very thick. You can see in this video mine is still watery. I want to teach you guys the secret behind it and how to stop it from occurring. You can make soap without encountering a thick trace. So watch this video and see how it is done so that you won't encounter such problem during your own soap production. In soap making, one thing you should observe is your measurement. Your measurement must be carried out accurately. So if you want to learn more about measurement in soap making, you can join my online class to learn how to take measurements in soap making. You just check the description of this video, you will find a link. You simply click on it, it will take you to my class on WhatsApp. So in soap making, once your measurement is carried out accurately, you will encounter less problems. So after your measurement has been carried out accurately and correctly, you need to do one more thing to avoid encountering a thick trace during your soap making. So over here I am mixing my lye in water. So I'll keep this mixture aside to cool down, because when mixing lye in water or caustic soda in water, it tends to become very hot. So that mixture has to be kept aside to cool down or get warm. You can keep it to get warm. Then over here is my sodium silicate. I'll be adding it directly to my oil. Then this is the color I'll be using. So the purpose of silicate is actually to make your soap harder. It makes your soap leather very well, and it also helps your soap to have a shiny appearance. The next thing I want to be doing is to warm my oil. What makes your mixture get to a thick trace is when your oil is still cold. So in order to avoid thick trace, you have to put your oil on fire and warm it. So once it is warm and your measurement is accurately correct, you will not encounter a thick trace. So first of all, you have to warm it. The oil doesn't necessarily have to be very hot. Just make sure it is warm. You don't have to make it very hot. Just warm it is enough. Once you warm your oil, you now take your caustic soda solution and pour it inside. It's as simple as that. This method will help you not encounter a thick trace. So I'm going to pour this into another bigger container, because this other container is smaller. It won't do the job. So I'll pour it into a bigger container, so I won't be struggling to stir my soap. That container is smaller. I don't want to do the mixture in that smaller container. So next I'll be adding my sodium silicate. Like I said before, you can join my online class. You check the video description, or you can reach me on this phone number displayed on the screen of this video. You can chat me up on WhatsApp to join my online classes that goes on WhatsApp. Then you learn a lot of things. You learn how to make the laundry bar soap, the powder detergent, the body cream, the liquid soap, the hair shampoo, the hair conditioner. You will learn a lot there. You will learn how to make bleach, Dettol. There's a lot you will learn in my online class. You will learn the organic soap, the organic body cream, the skin whitening body cream. There's a lot you will learn there. Just do well by reaching me on WhatsApp through the number, or you check the video description. You will find a link. You simply click on it to join the class. The next thing I want to be doing is to pour my caustic soda solution into my oil. Now my caustic soda is warm, my oil is warm, the temperature is not cold. My oil is not cold, and my caustic soda solution was not cold. The both of them, they were still warm. And you can see this is not getting to a thick trace. It's still allowing me to mix it, and it's watery. So this is how your soap or your soap mixture or your soap batter should look like. Once it looks like this, it will enter into your soap mold with ease without becoming very thick. So don't forget, the trick is for you to warm your oil and make sure your soda is warm. Your soda is still warm but not hot. Your oil is warm and not hot. Now you can see this has gotten into my soap mold with ease. No stress. It's not thick. Now that soap mold over there is for sale. If you need this soap mold, you can do well by reaching me on WhatsApp to purchase it. We deliver nationwide. Anywhere you are in Nigeria, we can deliver this soap mold to you. This mold actually produces 18 tablets of soap. So we are selling it. We have them in bulk. You can purchase them. Then I also have ebooks for sale. If you wish to purchase my ebook, you can reach me on the phone number displayed on the screen also to purchase this ebook. My ebooks are very rich, very informative. They have a lot of information inside. How to produce soap is in my ebook. How to produce body cream, how to produce powder detergent, shoe polish, egg roll, zobo, margarine, custard, liquid soap, powder detergent, hair shampoo. There's a lot you'll learn in my ebook. And even where to purchase chemicals, their addresses are in my ebook. Then the requirement that NAFDAC will need from you before they give you a NAFDAC registration number, those requirements are in my ebook. Where NAFDAC offices are in all the states in Nigeria, those answers are in my ebook. So you can do well by purchasing this ebook from me. It is very affordable, it's not expensive. So after 12 hours, my soap is now hard. I'm going to take it out of this mold. Don't forget, this mold is for sale. You can purchase it by reaching me on the phone number displayed on the screen of this video to purchase this mold. We deliver nationwide. The mold is very easy to use. It will help you produce 18 tablets of bar soap. You can see how easy this mold is. It doesn't need a cutter. You don't need any special cutter for this soap mold because it will help you cut your soap. That's how the mold is designed and very easy to use. So you can reach me to purchase this mold. We deliver nationwide. I want to thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and see you all next time in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be updated by our new videos. Goodbye, and see you all next time.